Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. By understanding how compound interest works, you can make wealth from your investments and achieve your financial goals. Compound interest formula. A is the future value of the investment. P is the principal amount. R is the annual interest rate. T is the number of years. For example, if you invest $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 7% compounded annually, then after 10 years, your investment will be worth $19,672. You can use compound interest formula to calculate on your own at the link below. For this formula, you can see keys of compound interest formula. Amount of money you invest, interest rate or return rate, and time. If you want to maximize the power of compound interest, start early. The most important factor in compound interest is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thus, you must have patience. Invest in high-growth assets. When you invest, you want to choose assets that have the potential to grow at a high rate. High-growth assets like stocks and real estate can fluctuate in value. This means that you might not always make money on your investments, and you could even lose money. Therefore, it's important to understand your own risk tolerance and invest accordingly. How important of time and rate of return. You can see example of compound interest in next table. You'll see the value of the $10,000 investment in 10 years. Invest 3% return, 5% return, 7% return, 10% return. You'll see the value of the $10,000 investment return on 5%. Invest 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. This mean time and rate of return are crucial. Amount of money you invest. The principal amount is the initial amount of money that you invest. It is important because it is the foundation on which compound interest is built. The more money you invest, the more interest you will earn, and the faster your money will grow. Invest regularly. Even if you can only invest a small amount each year, it will add up over time. The key is to invest regularly and stay consistent with your contributions. We will use the following formula. C equals additional annual contribution. The next table presents. When your initial $100,000 investment over 20 years at 10% annual interest, and compare the results when you add an extra $0, $1,000, $3,000, and $5,000 each year. This means that if you add a small amount of money each year, compound interest will significantly increase your final total. Don't touch your investment. When you withdraw your money before it has had a chance to grow, you are essentially missing out on the potential gains that could have been earned. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. If you leave your money invested for 10 years, it will grow to $16,289. However, if you withdraw your money after just 5 years, it will only grow to $13,000. As you can see, the difference between $16,289 and $13,000 is significant. This is because the money that you earn in interest in the first 5 years is then reinvested and earns interest itself in the remaining 5 years. This is the power of compound interest. So, if you want to maximize your investment returns, it is important to resist the temptation to withdraw your money before it has had a chance to grow. The longer you leave your money invested, the more money you will make in the long run.